Hello, I'm Robert Reichard, and I'm a test pilot with Airbus Americas, and today I'll be discussing the versatility and ease of operations of the ACJ TwoTwenty aircraft. One of the elements of business aviation that's very important is you don't want to rely on a lot of ground equipment. Part of the ACJ's TwoTwenty capabilities is that we can power it up very quickly, have it ready to taxi. We can do single engine taxi. Also, just getting on board the airplane, we have integrated air stairs. So we don't need a lot of ground equipment, making it very versatile, able to operate out of 93 of the top 100 business jet destinations. Another advantage of the flight management system is the ability to uplink a flight plan. So the pilots or the crew could prepare a flight plan in advance and quite simply come into the FMS, and whoever the provider is will provide a certain code. It's entered into the FMS itself, and then the uplink is actuated and the flight plan automatically uploads to the airplane. That way they decrease the preparation time, so even quicker until you're ready for engine start, or you can even do it in advance if there's power on the aircraft. On the ACJ TwoTwenty aircraft, we wanted to lower the workload on the pilots. We wanted to make it easy for them to be able to show to the aircraft and have it powered up and ready to taxi in as short amount of time as possible. We really did target approximately 15 minutes. Using the electronic checklist, even one pilot could have most systems woken up and ready to go. It really does have the ability to operate almost self-sufficiently from some of these smaller airports.